out here, Brian. This is what I tore out of the inside. This was just a backing board. This stuff here ain't even wood. It's plastic. It's glued on. Piece of shit. Here's what I got going here. This wood in here is all rotten. I can... Ain't that nice? Now, you've seen that. That's where I had everything tore out. I got my wire all nice and wrapped up. You can see down there in that corner how it's gotten wet. Dry it wood all the way up into here. I'll cut it off here and well, how far back? I got a little bit of good wood there. I just need to get rid of all that nasty shit. Yeah. You get the idea. And there's where I was sat outside. Comes back to there. All that. So what I'll do is run another 2x2 along this one. And then cut this off here. And put 2x2s in where those are attached to the new one. And then there's one that runs down there. And that will fix that, and then I just have to cover it over. I have some stuff to do that with. I can even use some 2x4 if I want. But this, the 2x2 that was up here, up to there, you can see. Oh, I can pull that out there. Let me see what I'm doing. But you can see how this is nasty rotten through there. You just break that off and cut it and should be good. Yep, that's where that's at. But all this here is not wood! That's that plastic shit. That's where I tore that one thing that's outside out, was all along here. Nothing too major.